Alright guys, today we are back in Athens. Today's a travel day. We are going to Dubai tonight at 11:30. We are leaving. Now we're just shopping around and yeah, I'm looking for the last minute thing if I need anything. And then we're in Dubai. I'll explain to you when we get to Dubai. But we are leaving 11:30 tonight. The plane situation I'll explain to you at the airport hopefully tonight. If I can sit down and just get some time to talk to you guys. I'll explain to you there what happened because we'll just, the whole situation took like 2 weeks to fix. Anyway, now we're gonna get some lunch in a minute. It's about 2:30. I haven't vlogged all day because I've just been leaving my cousins and then I just came here and checked into the hotel. And now, shopping around. So, catch you guys in a minute. Alright, we've just finished lunch as you guys would have seen. Now, they're just getting this last minute shopping stuff. But Luke here isn't coming with us, are you Luke? Staying on. We're going to Dubai like I said. Today is our final day here and Luke's staying on for another 3 days I think? 2? 3? Some of the days. I don't know, a lot of days, a few days. Today's vlog's gonna be pretty long because it's a flight over to Dubai and then we start the day off in Dubai at 5 AM. So don't know how I'm gonna break that up but we'll see what happens. Alright, we have just finished everything, had a shower, getting ready for the airport, come to the rooftop just before we leave. Just see the view that we have up there of the Acropolis. Pretty nice view. We've got a rooftop view of everything up here. It's a nice view. It's a very good view. Unfortunately, we can't stay. We're leaving in about 20 minutes to go to the airport, but Luke's staying onwards. Like I said before, he's getting this. We're all ready. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty good. Athens, Greece, it's been awesome. Till next time. For now, I'm saying goodbye, and I'll catch you guys when we are at the airport. Alright, we've just checked in everything at the airport. We are good to go. I have a surprise, maybe. I'll update you guys before we, just as we're walking onto the plane, I'll update you guys. I can't tell you now, it's a secret, but we'll see what happens, boys. Can't tell you yet. What do you reckon?
It's so good if it happens.
If it happens. Boys, we're just checking in and I scanned our tickets and I didn't go through because guess what? We're going business, boys. We've got to upgrade to business for free. So we're just waiting for them to print off their stuff and then we'll see what's going to happen. We're walking to the gate, boys. If you can read this, right here, it says business, boys. We are going business for free upgrades, boys. We get free upgrades. We're going free upgrades to Dubai. Isn't that right?
Yes, I can't
just
believe
me, just us two. Mum didn't get free upgrade. Just us two, boys. Free upgrades to Dubai. You roll with me, that's what happens, boys. Got the plugs, Gang, boys, plugs. Perfect, thank you. Hi, boys, we just made it to our seat. This is our business class seat, boys. Personal seat right there, boys. This is living. We get free business class upgrade. You know how we roll, boys. This is, boys. I don't know how this works. Why aren't you working? No, boys, I'm pumped. Free business class upgrade. This happens when you roll with, boys. TV screen right there. Oh, we get this iPad controller, boys. It controls everything. Can you push that? Oh, there we go. You guys can see that. You control everything. You see, you control how much it reclines. We're living on the edge. Don't know how we got this, but we did. So shout out to the plugs. Hooked us up with this free business class upgrade. Living, boys. Alright, we're on the plane. I had my big camera. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I had my big camera there. And it's freaking dead. I had it in my bag and I was going to take some mad shots. I didn't know I was going to be on here on the business class seat, but I had to get some mad shots and it's dead. Wow. One window, 2, 3 windows to myself. Nice seat. As you guys can see, you got bed, lounge, and upright. Sweet. You got the controls here. You can click there. If you want to go take off mode, pull the seat up. That one I have no idea, and that one makes you a bed. We just got our menus. Good personal menu, boys. I don't know why the camera's showing lines, but it is. But for dinner, can't wait. I'm starving. I haven't eaten anything all day. Or for dinner, not all day. I've eaten all day. I haven't eaten dinner yet. Thank you. Hot towel. Actually, getting a boiling. It's burning my hand. We're about to leave. I'm excited. Can't wait for food. There's also Wi-Fi. There's also Wi-Fi on the plane, which is sweet. And because I got a membership here, I get unlimited Wi-Fi in business, which is even better. So boys, got free Wi-Fi the whole flight, unlimited free Wi-Fi. We're just taxiing now to the takeoff, obviously. Boys, can't get over this, this is sick. So happy I got upgraded for free. Wasn't it like in the plug shop? You know how I roll. We're in Dubai, 5 days in Dubai, and we upgrade for free on the way there. It's the best way to finish off the somewhat end of this trip. How to choose the camera. Okay, there. Pick your camera. That's underneath. And that's on top. Just find the one you want. Click this. Watch this, boys. Look at that, boys. It's on the screen. Business class. Let's see. Imagine first class. First class is just through there. That's first class. And again, I'll take a look later on through the flight, or at the end of the flight, just to hop in there and just get a thing for you guys so you can have a look at what it looks like from business class. Sweet. Alright boys, we've just, what are we doing? I'm coming to the toilet quickly, so I can record this and say to you guys, I'm pumped. I'm supposed to be sleeping because I haven't slept all day. Like I think they're an hour ahead in Dubai, so by the time we land, it'll be 5 o'clock in the morning in Dubai, 4 o'clock in the morning in Greece, but I can't sleep, boys. My eyes are red, but I don't care. I'm too excited. I'm about to get food, boys. I've ordered all my food. I'm freaking pumped right now. Emirates top in the game. I'm pumped. Alright, our first meal's just come. My entree's just come, and it's like normally, it looks like a normal meal. Like what? Main course just came. I'm gonna be dead honest with you. I have no idea what I ordered. Just got eggplant, tomato, and meat, and rice. Now, the main meal. Look at that. Chocolate, usually raspberry, and something else. I don't know. I don't really pay attention. I'm just gonna eat it. Now just changing my seat back into the upright position, as you guys can see. We're going to land in about 40 minutes to landing. I'm starting to get everything ready now. And what happens when you put me in business class? I go crazy. That's with the hats on. Getting ready to land. Been a chic flight. Let's start to see some lights out there. In Dubai, 35 degrees outside, and it's 4:40 in the morning. What the hell? I'm pumped. Oh, we're just leaving. Before we leave, this is first class, boys. You get all this. That was business. This is first class. This is living. It's first class. In your own cabin. This all closes. Sweet. No problem. Thank you. Bye bye. That was a solid flight. There was no one coming through here. Well, I got kicked out of my first class seat now. It's okay. Just checked the first class out. It was sweet. Now, I'm gonna meet up with everyone else. Business class was sweet.